What is digital citizenship?
Digital citizenship is a concept. It helps teachers and parents to understand what students should know about technology. It's the norms of appropriate and responsible technology use.
Okay. So how do you think teachers that teach kindergarten through 12th grade should use this to help keep their students protected online?
I think there's so much nowadays online that teachers really need to show their students the different aspects of technology nowadays, because you have so much to protect as far as your personal stuff. Everything's in technology nowadays. You need to protect yourself from cyberbullying. There's just a whole list of different things, and depending on the age, depends on where you need to start your teaching the kids about each stage.
How they should develop in their technology use.
Yes.
Yeah. So, what do you think are some common misconceptions of digital citizenship?
First off, I think the common misconception is that kids already know, because until here recently, very recently, I had no idea there was even such a thing as digital citizenship. So I would say that would be probably the biggest misconception. I don't know, honestly, if school teachers being the only ones to teach it. I think part of it would be a parent's responsibility, because parents give their kids cell phones, they give their kids tablets or whatever the high-end technology is of that time. So I think parents should know what it is and be able to teach their kids of what digital citizenship is as well as teachers, because I feel that the school needs to teach as well, just to make sure the kids really know about the different aspects of it.
Well, there's so much technology used in school that if you don't know what's going on, how do you know you're being a good digital citizen? Or how do you know if you're even, being responsible? Or how you brought up the, everything's on the internet and with technology. And just, you have to remind kids, or even adults, because I really didn't know what digital citizenship was. So you just have to be mindful of what you're doing. Do you have anything else to add to
that? Another misconception is that it's just a fad. Technology, yeah, we have different aspects of technologies that are just fads, as far as, different systems or just certain phones or whatever, but digital technology is growing so much and so rapidly. It's not a fad. That's the new day and age, is technology, and what we put on technology, what we put out there in the digital world, that it's no longer just a fad, it's reality, and that's what our life is. So we need to be more taught, we need to learn more about it, we need to teach more about it to our kids so that they are well aware.
As we grew up, we didn't have all the technology that we have now. As our kids, I say our kids, what the next generation will grow up in.
Right.